show y'all a video of the neighborhood. So here we go. That's across from us, Jameson Landing. Here's our sign. So this is like if you were entering the neighborhood. That Edge house is the model home we've been having all our meetings in. There's our mailboxes, and there's Trent. There's 2 roads in this neighborhood. We are on the back one at the edge. Almost to our lot. That house isn't ours, but that's the same brick we chose. Just to let you know. And here's our lot right now. You can see the concrete and the pipe and all the framing wood out around it. And the fence they already have up over there is to block off the pipelines that we're next to. You can see across from us there's nothing, and there will stay being nothing. And behind our lot there's nothing, and then just the fence beside us. Just wanted to clue you in.